up, guys? It's Christine with Irene Fitness, and today I'm going to show you how to whip up a tasty side dish called spiced Moroccan lentils. Let's get cooking. So this side dish is really good if you want to have something prepped in your refrigerator for the whole week. You can put this together to serve with your lunches or your dinners, or in this case, we're going to bring it over to our friend's house next door at the campsite so that we can serve it with some grilled meat for dinner tonight. And it's going to go really well with any type of grilled meat. And it's really easy to put together. So the first thing we're going to do is strain and rinse some lentils. I just use canned lentils for this. Then I'm going to whip up a salad dressing using spices, olive oil, apple cider vinegar. Next, I'm going to just chop up an onion and some garlic. I'm going to saute these, and once these are ready, then we're going to add the beans in, and I'm going to add in some cooked quinoa that I already had prepped earlier in the week, and that quinoa is just going to help bulk up the lentil salad and make it more satisfying as a big side dish. So it's going to be really easy, and let's get started.
Sunday morning, soft light, coffee going quiet side, and everything is alright. There's a breeze coming in the window, and you're leaning over me, warm shadow. Lose track of time. You make me feel like I'm the sun in your outer space, wrapped around me like cellophane. We've been laying here since Saturday. Oh, and I just can't see it playing out any other way. I wanna feel just like this every day. I'm your forever, always, always. And you can have my Saturday nights. I could be your Sunday morning weekend paradise. We could do whatever you like, make all of my dreams come true. Yeah, you can have all of my Saturday nights, and I could be a Sunday morning the rest of my life. Slow song playing on the radio, birds singing about what they know. A new day comes in slow, the sunlight dancing in a light show, on window panes and shining rays on all the pillows, lighting all your sorrows. You make me feel like I'm the sun in your eyes.
Okay, so we have our onion and garlic chopped. My dressing is already mixed up. And I have my lentils and my quinoa ready on the side. So my 10-inch skillet is getting hot over medium-high heat. I'm going to put in just a teaspoon of olive oil. I'm going to do the onions for a few minutes. And then I'm going to add in the garlic. And then I'm going to add in the lentils and the quinoa. Mix it all together with the dressing. It truly couldn't be any simpler. Let's go. So the onions have been going for a few minutes and they're starting to get a little golden color. They're starting to sweat. They're starting to get transparent. Now's the time you want to add in your garlic. You want to be careful not to burn your garlic. It only takes a minute or two. You just want to get it fragrant and get it livened up. Once the garlic has been cooking for a minute or so, then we'll add in the lentils and the quinoa and the dressing. I haven't put in any salt at this point yet because I do have salt in the dressing. Once we add the dressing in at the end, then we're going to do a little taste test and you're going to see if you personally would like to add a little bit more salt in. That will be the time to do it. So we'll let this hang out and then add in those lentils. Smells like garlic in here. So the lentils are going in. They've been strained and rinsed. A little bit of moisture in there is okay. And also we have some already made quinoa going in. And at this point now, we just want to get it cooked through. So your dressing, shake back up. Don't add the entire thing of dressing right away because there are some spicy chili pepper spices in here. You want to add it gradually and make sure you like it. So I'm going to just do probably a couple tablespoons at a time to start, and then you can always add in more. And look at how thick this is with spices. I don't know if you can see that, but that's just pure flavor going in. It's almost like a paste, but it is a dressing because it does have the oil, it has the vinegar. So you have your oil, you have your tang, you have your spices, we have a little bit of salt, and like I said, we're going to taste this. We're going to see if we want more dressing, we're going to see if we want more salt, we're going to just see how we like it and adjust it from there. Yeah, I could definitely handle the entire container of this. So just add yours as you like it. You can always add more, but you can't take it out. So once I have all of this added in, I'm going to give it one last final stir. I might add in a sprinkle of salt. And that's it. So that's it. It was so easy to put together, and what I love about this side dish, it's so flavorful. And it has so much life on its own that you could pair it with a very simple grilled chicken, something that's very easy. Make the star be the side dish, and then you can take the back seat on your protein for once. And, you know, take some balance back and forth between whether you want your protein to shine through or your side dish to shine through. And this side dish is certainly going to scream flavor for whatever you serve it with. So you could do it for your lunches for the week, or bring it over to a dinner with friend's house. It's a great entertaining recipe because it is exciting. I hope you like it. Check out my blog for the full printable recipe at ireneironfitness.com and give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. If this is like your third cooking show that you've watched and you haven't subscribed yet, sub up and catch me every Wednesday for new recipes. Every Sunday we're going to do RV lifestyle with travel and upgrades, things like that. And we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.